last couple of months, I've been using this AI editing tool and I've been printing cash like crazy. And in this video, I will share with you the secret weapon that the most viral YouTubers use, such as Alex Hormozi, Ali Abdallah, and Mr. Beast, keep hidden from you to pump out high quality shorts that go fucking viral. That's right, they hid this tool from you. It's like in a chest underground, in a cave. I had to dig it out. True fact. But imagine if there was a way where you could make your short form videos 10 times faster and 10 times better. And all you needed was just like a one button click. Like, this is all you need. You do this and then you make YouTube shorts or reels or TikToks. How does that work? In this video, I will explain to you exactly how I've been turning $20 into $450 for a couple months now. And it's true, it's not fucking clickbait. This is real. So the way that I do this is I use this website called submagic.io, and this website has saved me hours of my time. What Submagic does is that it is basically a tool that automatically subtitles your videos. It has emojis to it. And how it works is that you just put a video in and then you get a high quality short out of it. It's really that simple, and boom, there you have it. Now traditionally you would have to transcribe a short and then caption it and then just color each word and then add emojis and then add animations to the emojis, change the font, blah blah blah. That just takes too much time. Like, it would take half an hour to do a short like that, but with Submagic, that is no more. It literally takes only 3 minutes to just make a short like that instead of 30 minutes. So anyways, the way that I turn $20 into $450, here it goes, let me explain in full detail. So I have a client where I do 30 videos a month for him at $15 per video. Now, 30 times 15 will be $450. I use this tool to make shorts for him. So all I do is I cut up 1 minute of footage, put it into Submagic AI, wait for it to get processed. The way that I do this is I use this website called submagic.io, and I'm just fixing the typos here. And after you're done fixing your typos, just hit export and boom, that's it. We're done. I've just made like $15 that easy. Now I have 30 videos like that. It takes me probably like 3 hours realistically to do it all, and I get $450. With $20, you can only make 20 videos, full disclosure. But I also make some videos without captions, so it works out. That's $150 per hour of work. You're gonna love what I'm about to give you. I have partnered with Submagic, and they're gonna give you a 10% discount if you use my code CHAD10, or click the link in the description. It will be there as well. And yeah, just use the code CHAT10 at discount. Now they also have a trial version as well. Try it out. If you don't like it, you don't have to buy it. I'm not forcing you, but try it out and see how that works out for you. Now you might be saying, oh, is that cheating? You're cheating. No, I'm just leveraging AI to work for me. I'm making a robot do my work, and I'm still getting paid the money that I would have gotten paid if I did the work myself. Thanks, Mod. So I want you to ask yourself this question: how much is me not using Submagic, this amazing tool, costing me both in time and money? I've been generally using the software to make money for over the last 6 months, so I can honestly vouch for this as well. Might as well, tell you guys about it and make some money in the process. Just use code CHAT10 or link in the description. Check out Submagic, they're great. But now you might be thinking, okay, $20, I make these great videos, but I don't know how to find any clients. Like, where do I find clients? I'm lost. I got you. The Chat Editor channel covers all aspects of video editing, including getting clients. So click the video right here. It should be in the middle of the screen, and it'll teach you exactly how to get clients and start making some money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.